How to set up a Skool community. So if you want to set up a Skool community for yourself, you came to the right video, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through the steps in which you can easily have a fully developed Skool community. So to start things off, to set things up, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to invite a few people into your community. So for that, you're going to come to settings, and once you come to settings, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go into the tab where it allows you to invite people. Okay, so what you're going to do before that is you're going to make sure that you have a standard public account, because most Skool communities or most Skool accounts, they will not be standard or public. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on this section where it says invite 3 people. Now you can invite people by email, okay, or you can import them from different platforms that you have through a CSV file or different integrations, or the most standard way would be to copy this link and share it around with people so they can join you. So that's the first step, is, to actually invite members into your community. Then moving on, you're going to add a description for your group. Okay, so my group name is call test. You're going to add a cover, make sure, because it's really important to have a good icon and a good cover. Then you're going to make your own URL if you have your own domain. That's also a pretty fun feature. Add a description for yourself, add your initials, add a color, and make sure that it's a public community, because that is how you're going to get people to join you. Then once you're done with all of that, finally, you're going to go ahead and write your first post, and you're going to make sure that this post is fully developed with actual desire of teaching, okay? Because that's what Skool communities are all about. And the more quality you have in your posts, the more likely you are to set up a well-developed Skool community, and you're going to grow pretty quickly from there. So that's pretty much about it. That is how you're going to set up a Skool community. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.